Hello guys, my name is Kedarnath and I'll be explaining you about my cloud computing mini project which is Sentiment Analyzer. So let's start with what is Sentiment Analyzer. So Sentiment Analyzer is a Chrome extension that can perform sentiment analysis on selected text. So it can be used to know whether our tweet or comment will be considered positive, negative or neutral by the algorithm. And the cloud platform that I've used are AWS and Google Cloud Platform. I've also deployed this in Chrome Web Store, so that's the reason I've mentioned Google Cloud Platform. And the main objective of the project is to let users know whether their tweet or comment will be considered positive, negative, or neutral by the algorithm, and to create a Chrome extension that can help users find out sentiment of any text. It can also be used to analyze various types of reviews like movie reviews, food reviews, or books reviews, any types of reviews, any text. And the methodology that I've used is that first the user will select a text and then click on the Chrome extension button. When the user does this, the Chrome extension will send the selected text to Amazon API gateway, and this will trigger a Lambda function which will further send the text to Amazon Comprehend, and then Amazon Comprehend will analyze the text and will return the analysis to Lambda function, which is then passed on to API gateway and then to Chrome extension. And this methodology will be even more clear when I actually show the demo. And to summarize, I have created a Chrome extension that can perform sentiment analysis on selected text. I learned how to perform sentiment analysis on text using AWS and learned how to create a Chrome extension and add it to Chrome Web Store. And this is an image of how a user can analyze his tweet and get to know what is the sentiment of his tweet. So now let's move on to the demo part. So this is the Chrome Analyzer, Chrome extension. So Sentiment Analyzer Chrome extension. So I'll be adding this to my Chrome. So I'll add this extension, and then these are some of the images that I have added, and this is the description. So now let me refresh the page. So I will be using this just to show that it will work on various different languages as well, not just English. So let's check. I hate myself. So first let's check with English. So it should show negative. Yes, it's showing negative. So now let's try with Hindi. Yes, it's showing negative. So now let's try allow myself. So let's try this in maybe Japanese. So it says it's positive. Yeah, so this thing will also be positive. Okay, so now let's try with something. So this will give us neutral, yes. And now let's try something for mixed. So let's try lol. So yes, this will give us an output of mixed. So yes, these are some of the text that will give different types of outputs. So now let me show you the backend working, actual backend working. So first, the Chrome extension will select the text and then will send the text to this API. This API, it will send a post request to this API, and the result will be the JSON result will be extracted and displayed in the Chrome extension. And here is the code that will do that. It will get the positive result, negative result, how much percentage is it positive, how much percentage is it negative, neutral and mixed. So this is the code for that. And then so this is the API. This is the same API that I showed here. So whenever I select a text and click on the Chrome extension button, it hits this API, and whenever this API receives the post request, it triggers a Lambda function, which is this function. And what this function does is that it gets the text and sends it to AWS Comprehend, and Amazon comprehend will actually analyze the text and will return back to the Lambda function, and Lambda function will return it to the API gateway, and API gateway will send it back to the Chrome extension. So that's how this project works, and this is my cloud computing mini project. Thanks for watching.